Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact area you will seal. Clean thoroughly with isopropyl or soapy water, scrub away rust, and dry completely. Moisture ruins adhesion. Once done, measure the patch and cut tape with a 1/2 to 1 inch overlap so you can secure edges. You should test fit the strip without removing the liner to confirm placement and wrapping direction. Make sure to identify where you will apply the most pressure and how many layers you will need before you peel the backing. You begin application by peeling a short section of the backing and pressing the tape onto the starting edge with firm, consistent pressure. Once in place, continue unrolling while smoothing with your fingers to eliminate bubbles. Use a roller for better adhesion. Make overlapping passes at about 50% overlap to build thickness and waterproofing, and add additional layers for pressure resistance. As you wrap around curves, keep tension steady so the tape conforms tightly. Make sure to finish with a well-adhered, smooth edge to prevent lift. You complete the job by firmly pressing every inch of the repair, holding the final edge for 60 to 90 seconds to lock adhesion. Some tapes gain strength over their specified cure time, so make sure to respect that window. Once cured, test with a gentle water spray and observe for seepage or lifting at edges. If you detect a leak, do not panic. Add another overlapped layer or cut away the failed section, re-clean the substrate, and reapply. One key tip: if edges lift, heat lightly with a hairdryer to reactivate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.